Hello viewers, today's recipe is rice flour puri. These puris are very tasty and easy to make. Now let's have a look at the ingredients required for making these puris. Rice flour 1 cup, wheat flour half cup, green chilies 4, chopped coconut 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon oil, chopped curry leaves and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Let's start cooking now. Take the oil in a pan and heat it. Once it is done, keep it aside. Now take a bowl, add rice flour, wheat flour, cumin seeds, curry leaves. Make coarse paste of green chili and coconut without adding water and add the paste to it. And add salt as per taste. Now add the hot oil. Mix everything together well. Add water little by little. Make a smooth dough. Take small portion of the dough and make small balls like this. Put a plastic sheet on the rolling board and grease it with the oil. Take the balls and flatten this in this fashion. Don't make it too thin, let it be thick. Similarly, flatten all the puris. Now take a karai, add oil for frying. Let it be on a high flame. Once the oil is hot, you can add the puris now. Flip on both the sides and fry the puris until it is golden in color. Similarly, fry other puris also. Now the puris are ready to serve. It can be served with any chutney of your choice. Hope you like the recipe. Please like, share and support us. We'll be uploading many more healthy, tasty and unique recipes. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.